If you're looking to use help desk tools with email, chat, and social media, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to manage customer support across these platforms efficiently, so you can streamline your processes and keep your customers happy. First off, let's talk about email. Most help desk tools integrate with your email system, letting you turn incoming messages into tickets. This means you can track each email, respond to customers from within the help desk software, and keep everything organized. You'll be able to categorize issues, assign tickets to your team, and follow up, all from one central platform. This eliminates the need to jump between your inbox and your help desk. Moving on to chat, this is where things get interesting. A lot of help desk tools allow you to integrate live chat right onto your website or app. When a customer starts a conversation, it's automatically logged as a ticket in the system. The benefit here is that you can respond in real time, provide quick solutions, and still keep everything documented for future reference. This also allows you to follow up after the chat ends, making sure no customer issue slips through the cracks. Now, let's talk social media. Whether it's Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, help desk tools can capture messages from all your social media channels. The software we'll be using helps you consolidate messages from different platforms into one easy-to-manage interface. When a customer reaches out via social media, their message is converted into a ticket, so your team can respond promptly, regardless of the platform they choose. It's perfect for managing multiple communication channels from one place, saving you time and making sure no conversation gets lost. Here's where it gets even better. With the help desk tool, you can set up automation to prioritize tickets, send out responses based on common issues, and even analyze customer satisfaction. These features will not only speed up your response time, but also improve your customer service overall. If you want to follow along with the tool I'm using in this tutorial, I've got an exclusive free trial for you in the description below. This free trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. By using it, you'll be able to explore all the features we covered, from email and chat integration to social media management. Key takeaway: using help desk tools with email, chat, and social media integration is essential for staying organized and providing fast customer support. Remember, it's all about streamlining communication and managing tickets efficiently. By centralizing all channels into one platform, you'll save time and improve customer satisfaction. And don't forget, take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description below if you want to dive deeper into the software I recommend. It's a great way to get hands-on experience and see how these features work in real life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.